Hey, how you doing? It is Tom Breeze here. And if you are interested in running YouTube ads and getting set up in the right way so you can build profitable and scalable campaigns, then listen in, because Kurt Marley and myself are going to jump on a webinar very soon indeed. I'm going to go through it step by step, showing you exactly what to do, whether you're doing this for your own business or as an agency doing this for your clients. I want to walk you through the steps of finding your audience, making sure you create killer ads on a shoestring budget. I want to make sure you know how to run your accounts properly, and also what sort of offers work best for YouTube as well. We're going to lay it all bare, share with you exactly what works, and it's going to be a lot of fun as well. So make sure you're there on the webinar, myself and Kurt Marley, and I'll see you very soon.